Resolving invalid token issues in Skylight is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, it is essential to understand what an invalid token is and why it occurs. An invalid token is an error message that appears when Skylight is unable to verify the authentication token, which is required to access the platform. To resolve this issue, start by checking your internet connection and ensuring that it is stable. A poor internet connection can cause the token to expire or become invalid. Next, try logging out of your Skylight account and then logging back in. This will generate a new authentication token and may resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check your browser settings and ensure that cookies are enabled. Skylight uses cookies to store the authentication token, so if cookies are disabled, the token will not be stored, and you will receive an invalid token error. Also, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can help resolve any issues related to outdated or corrupted data. Another common cause of invalid token issues is a mismatch between the system clock and the Skylight server time. Ensure that your system clock is set to the correct time and date, as a significant difference can cause the token to become invalid. In some cases, the issue may be related to a specific user account or permission settings. Try checking your user account settings and ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access the required features. If you are still experiencing issues, try contacting your system administrator or the Skylight support team for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid token issue in Skylight and regain access to the platform. Remember to always check your internet connection, browser settings, and system clock to prevent similar issues from occurring in the future. Regularly clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help maintain a stable and secure connection to Skylight.